Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing GoldStar EA, an automated trading system available on the MQL5 Marketplace. But before we get started, it is important to note that the marketplace information provided here does not explicitly state whether GoldStar EA is available for MT4, but of course, this is the MT5 version that we are reviewing in this video. Okay, starting with the marketplace overview, the GoldStar EA is developed by Marek Kavarda and is currently listed at the price of 140 US dollars. The version shown is 1.0 and the product includes 5 activations. According to the description, this expert advisor is designed exclusively for trading gold, specifically XAUUSD. All right, and it is intended to operate as a fully automated trading solution. Now, as I continue through the product page, one of the primary features highlighted by the developer is its multi-time frame analysis capability. Okay, so the EA is described as scanning multiple time frames in order to identify what it considers higher probability trading opportunities. Okay, you can see it analyzes multiple time frames to detect high probability trading opportunities and integrates advanced trade management tools, all while remaining easy to set up and operate. Okay, so while the exact methodology behind those signals is not disclosed, the use of multiple time frame analysis is presented as a core part of the system's decision-making process. The developer also emphasizes built-in money management and capital protection features. Although the specific risk management rules are not explained in detail, the intention appears to be reducing risk exposure while helping users manage their trading capital more effectively. Another point worth noting is the focus on simplicity. The marketplace description highlights that the EA is designed to be easy to set up and operate, allowing traders to get started quickly without a complicated installation process. Now, this may be appealing for users who prefer a more straightforward automated trading experience. All right, moving into the backtesting discussion, the marketplace page mentions extensive historical testing and refers to stable and consistent results. However, the actual strategy tester reports, testing dates, modeling quality, and testing methodology, of course, need to be examined. All right, so if we are going to be looking at the detail that is provided here, that is visible here, in order not to make independent evaluations, we can see that based on what we have here, the EA was tested on gold from 2015 to 2025, and initial deposit was $1,000. Total net profit was over $55,000, and the total trades taken were 1,375, and we can see that 1,318 were profitable. So that gave us a 95.85% win rate from 2015 to 2025. And we can see that initially, the equity and balance curve shows that initially, the rate of profit seems to be quite low, but then at some point you can see how the growth sort of increased and was sort of steady as well. But we can see some significant drawdowns along the line. The green line shows equity, so we can see how the equity deviated from the balance for a while, at several intervals. Okay, so that tells me that there is some level of drawdown, and it is also confirmed here. We can see that the equity drawdown maximal is 39.45%, and the equity drawdown relative is 61.2%. Okay, so drawdown is actually one of the things that the EA experiences, but overall the net profit is quite impressive. Okay, now we are also still going to head over to our strategy tester to see how the EA performed in 2026. All right, so as at the time of recording, this is June 2026, but I'm testing I'm testing the GoldStar EA on XAUUSD H1 time frame from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. And as for the delays, I'm using the last ping to the server, I'm using the every tick modeling. Looking at the back tested results quickly, I can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was $8,011.02, and the total trades taken were 17. Okay, and the entire 17 trades were profitable, as we can see here. And the largest profit was 1,658.46. The average profit was 471.24. Okay, so it's quite interesting. And here I can see that the equity drawdown maximal is 12.24%. Now moving or rather reviewing the strategy itself. When reviewing the strategy itself, the information that we have access to, right, suggests that entries are generated based on the information provided right on the marketplace page. It suggests that entries are generated through the EA's multi-time frame analysis process. But beyond that, the exact trade logic, entry conditions, exit criteria, and position management techniques are not disclosed. So it will be inappropriate to speculate on how the system executes trades internally. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself, so that you can get a broader understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. Testing over extended periods can often provide a more complete view of both performance and risk characteristics. Okay, but as always, any historical backtest result should be treated as historical testing performance only. Because real world results can vary significantly depending on factors like the broker execution, spreads, slippage, market conditions, risk settings, lot size selection, and even user optimization. So overall, the GoldStar EA presents itself as an automated gold trading solution that is focused on multi-time frame analysis, built-in money management, and ease of use. So if you are interested in automated XAUUSD trading, maybe it might be worth reviewing the available information carefully and conducting your own testing extensively. All right, you can run the test over a year, 2 years, or even more, so that you can be able to capture a wider range of market conditions before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.